G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at 197 on the Esplanade in Point Vernon. Homes along our Esplanade are in high demand and low supply, so let's go and take a look around. Don't miss this rare opportunity to secure your own piece of paradise in one of Hervey Bay's most exclusive locations on the Esplanade in the popular bayside suburb of Point Vernon. This character-filled home was originally built around 1985 and is perched on a low-maintenance 549 square metre allotment, offering the lifestyle that only living on the Esplanade can offer. You also have the convenience of being only minutes away from the thriving heart of the Hervey Bay CBD and essential amenities, including shopping centres, cafés, restaurants, hospitals, schools, university and the golf course, all being nearby. Upon entering, you will immediately notice the sun-drenched living room to the front of this home. This is an ideal space to sit and relax while watching the world go by. Moving into the home, you will note the high vaulted ceilings with exposed beams which feature throughout this home, adding a real sense of space. The kitchen is well appointed and includes loads of bench and storage space plus a pantry. Appliances include an electric hot plate with range hood, a wall oven and a dishwasher. There is an open plan dining area off to the side of the kitchen, plus a separate lounge room to the front with servery off the kitchen, offering those views across the Esplanade. Staying cool over the warmer summer months is as simple as turning on the reverse cycle split system air conditioning, which flows throughout this home. This home also features a number of remote electric shade blinds to also assist with the cooling. There are 3 spacious bedrooms, again featuring those high vaulted ceilings with exposed beams and all having built-in wardrobes and ceiling fans with remote controls and split system air conditioning. The main bedroom includes a built-in wardrobe and ensuite with shower, vanity and toilet. There is also a separate study or home office with built-in storage cupboard, which will be ideal for those now working more from home. The bathroom includes a shower over the bath, a vanity and a toilet. The large laundry features timber bench tops and loads of storage and offers direct access outside to the clothesline. For vehicle accommodation, there is clear side access to the detached single brick garage with workspace and power connected. Those looking to be more self-sufficient will appreciate the large 10.8 kilowatt solar power system. There is also a great children's playhouse with slippery dip surrounded by those low maintenance gardens to the back. This home also has a lovely sitting area to the front where you'll be able to enjoy a cuppa in the morning with the first rays of light over the bay and a cool beverage with the last rays of light. The owners have committed to purchasing another property and are now calling for an immediate sale. So here's your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.